Our update, excuse me, that's time our update. We have 8 confirmed fatalities. TCAD has transported 7 patients to the hospital, and we do have some people still missing. So this is going to be a all-night into tomorrow. We're still going to be working on this. Highway Patrol dive team is on their way here. Western Taney County has their dive team in the water right now. We have Taney County Sheriff's Office, Missouri Highway Patrol, the Western Taney County Fire and Southern Stone Fire, and TCAD all on scene helping right now together. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Also, I need to get it out that any family member or anybody that was on the duck that is missing family members or has questions, please go to Branson City Hall in Branson. They're opening up Branson City Hall, and any family members or anybody that's maybe missing a family member, please go to Branson City Hall.
Sheriff, how many people do you believe you're still looking for at this time?
We do not know exactly.
And the people that were taken to the hospital, what are their injuries like at this time?
I do not know.
Can you confirm the boat capsized because of the weather?
I believe it was caused by the weather, yes.
Okay. Was the boat doing anything out of the ordinary to your knowledge that would make you more vulnerable to sudden landing?
Not that I know of.
Do you know what time the boat left the dock?
I do not.
And the boat turned over and sank, is that what happened?
That is correct. It capsized and sank.
Do you know if all the fatalities and injuries are believed to be because of drowning?
Yes. I believe so, yes.
I just wasn't sure if somebody like fell off the boat or hit their head or something like that.
Were you able to rescue anybody without any injuries?
There was actually a Stone County Sheriff's deputy on the boat. He was in the water rescuing people. There was also some of the staff from Branson Bell, I believe, and trying to help the rescue.
Sure, could you kind of just recap again? We just went live and let us know again what you just said briefly.
At this time we have 8 confirmed fatalities. 7 have been transported by TCAD. And that's pretty much where we're at right now.
You said that the dive teams are Taney County dive team?
The Western Taney County dive team's in the water right now. The Missouri Highway Patrol dive team is on their way here.
Is the boat still in the water now?
The duck is still in the water, yes.
When you say in the water, is it sunk or is it?
It's sunk.
Okay. How deep's the water around here?
I don't know for sure how deep it is where the duck is at.
But the confirmed fatalities were from drowning?
I believe so, yes.
Any idea how old the boat was?
I do not.
How big of an area are you guys searching at this point?
That's up to the dive team, and I said when the Highway Patrol dive team gets here, that'll all be up to them.
You said a deputy was on the boat. Was he there for recreation, or was he part of the?
We produce off-duty security on the Branson Bell.
Given you don't know how many people you're looking for necessarily, how challenging is that for dive teams?
It's going to be a challenging night and tomorrow.
Are you in contact with the company that owns the duck?
Yes.
Have they given any response to you so far? Or?
We were working on them, trying to coordinate. Like I said, any family member, please go to the Branson City Hall. If you're missing a family member or if you was on the duck, please go to the Branson City Hall.
Can you confirm, Sheriff, if any of the fatalities were children?
I'm not going to say at this time.
Is this still considered a rescue mission, post recovery?
Rescue and recovery, yes. Any other questions?
At this time. Thank you, Sheriff.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sheriff.
That went really well.
I couldn't hear anything. I didn't feel like
Yeah, no, I know. Yeah, no,
well,
I think...
I'll turn this off.